Virgo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong September 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Virgo, what's coming to you sa inyong kaperahan. September 2024. And it's Virgo season. Yes, happy birthday, happy solar return sa inyo. Virgo, I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and good health. Ayan. So you have the B. Wow. So magiging very busy kayo ngayong September. Oo. Business as usual. Kumbaga, ang B kasi someone talaga eh. Sila yung masisipag, no? Oo, busy as a bee. At yung sipag naman nila, maganda yung resulta, 'di ba? Kasi may honey. Ang honey matamis. So, I feel like you will experience yung tamis ng tagumpay dahil sa mga bagay na iniportan nyo, trinabaho nyo. You're very focused, no? Focus ka sa iyong goals, sa inyong career, sa inyong business. And talagang ang trajectory nyo is towards a successful career. Okay? You also have the wave. Wave is about unity. Pagkakaayos. So, maaring kung kayo ay may business, no, maaring magaling kang mag-lead ng iyong mga tauhan. Dahil dyan, kumbaga, yung success, kayang-kaya nyong ma-achieve, di ba? Kasi nga, ano ba yung kasabihan? United we stand, divided we fall. Oh. So, you will be united with the people who is support system or supporting each other, no? Pwedeng you will be part of a group na sinusuportahan ng isa't isa for a certain goal. Teamwork talaga. And also, ito rin yung connection mo sa sarili mo. I also see yun na mas magiging parang meron kang deeper connection with yourself, na may awareness ka sa mga nagagawa mo for your career, for your business, if it's something that will improve you. Kasi minsan yung iba hindi aware. Hindi sila aware na itong career path nila ay hindi para sa kanila or hindi sila magiging successful dito. Unang-una, wala silang passion doon or hindi sila interesado or they are just there for the money. But for you, meron kang deeper connection about what you really want in life, no? At yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na itong career path, trabaho, or pinagkakakitaan nyo is something that you really want to do. Wow! The butterfly. Ito yung favorite card ko dito sa deck na to, which is about transformation, metamorphosis. This is so beautiful kasi maaaring merong major change in your career, in your business, in your situation sa finances ninyo ngayong September, na totally bago. Okay? Dahil ito sa sa effort ninyo. Dahil ito sa tiyaga ninyo, sa sipag ninyo, 'di ba? Na makikita niyo yung resulta na yan ngayong September. You will see a major change in your situation sa finances, sa trabaho. Okay? Some of you naman, merong new beginnings. You are letting go of your old self and starting your new self. Pwede yung iba, may realizations kayo about what you really want to do in your life, in your career, in your business. At pag na-realize mo na hindi ka para doon, hindi ka masaya doon, you want to explore new things, so magkakaroon ka ng rebirth. It's a brand new you. You have the Hierophant. Ang Hierophant is about knowledge, no? Maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong mentor, teacher, coach, someone na nag-i-inspire sa inyo. Parang tinuturuan kayo kung paano pa mas mapaunlad ang inyong trabaho, ang inyong career, ang inyong business. Some of you naman, meron kayong opportunity na maging teacher or coach dahil marami na kayong alam, no? Marami na kayong abilities na pwede nyong i-share sa iba. You also have the Two of Pentacles. This is bringing balance in your finances. I think hindi nyo magiging problema yung kaperahan. Ngayong September, uh, I think yung magiging challenge sa inyo rito is yung oras ninyo. No? Kasi pwedeng marami kayong gagawin. At may mga times na wala na kayong oras para sa sarili ninyo na magpahinga, no? Or, just to de-stress. So, yun yung kailangan yung ayusin or i-balance sa inyong oras at panahon. Wow! Three of Cups is about abundance, joy, happiness, friendship. So, some of you may mga bago kayong friends, connections, na tutulong sa inyo, no? Para magdagdag ng mga bagong contacts that will help you in improving your career path or your business. Let's say, for example, meron ka nakilalang bagong kaibigan, no? Itong bagong kaibigan na to ay may kakilala doon sa company na gusto mong pasukan. Oh. So, pwede kang i-recommend. Or, meron kang business na itong taong to ay may alam na pwede mong maging potential na customer, i-recommend ka. So, maganda talaga na malawak yung network mo. This will bring you a lot of opportunities. Sabi nga sino ba yung nagsabi nun? Your network is your net worth. Diba? You have the World card, which is about success, rewards. So, ano man yung mga tatrabahuhin mo, paghihirapan mo, effortan mo, like what I mentioned kanina, this will bring you rewards. You will be rewarded, you will be acknowledged, and meron ka rin matatapos na task na magiging successful. Let's say may project kayo sa trabaho na ito yung kailangan nyo gawin for a certain period of time. So, ngayong September, matatapos nyo yan. At you will feel successful about it kasi talagang all praises sa inyo na, wow, it's a success. You have di ba? Speaking of success, Six of Wands. Six of Wands is energy of someone na victorious. Nagaling siya sa labanan. Meron siyang napagtagumpayan. Wow, ang ganda, Virgo. You have the Queen of Pentacles, the Six of Cups. So, Six of Cups energy rin to ng mga bata. No? So, kung meron kayong mga kids or may mga younger people, no, sa buhay ninyo na sinusuportahan nyo, kapatid nyo, pamangkin nyo, you were able to support them. No? Kayang-kaya mo silang bigyan ng kanilang mga pangangailangan. And Queen of Pentacles energy is someone who has a lot of resources. You also have deeper meaning. O, ayan o. This is the energy ng wave. Deeper meaning in life. Yes. So, may savings din. I think you're going to save more money ngayong September. Believe in the impossible. Siguro yung iba magre-react, ay, imposible kasi marami akong mga gastos. No, believe in the impossible. Kung talagang meron kang willingness na makapag-ipon kahit pa piso-piso yan, 5 piso, 10 piso. Diba? Yung iba kasi nag-aalala kayo, na hindi nyo magawa. Kasi pag naunahan na kayo ng pag-aalala, wala na. Hindi na yun, kumbaga yung energy nun, nababawasan na every time na nagwo-worry kayo. Yung manifestation abilities nyo nababawasan every time na nag-aalala kayo. Oo. Kaya nga, let's say, ito nangyayari to sa akin na, may mga times na meron akong needs, financial needs, tapos nag-aalala ako, paano kaya yun? Paano ko mabibili yun? Or paano ko mapoprovide yun? Kaya lang naisip ko, God will provide. Tapos biglang, may darating na blessing. Tapos, when I look back, dapat pala hindi na ako nag-alala kasi mapoprovide naman pala. So, yun yung magandang mindset for some of you, Virgo. Okay? Kaya, some of you, ayan, babawasan yung pag-aalala nyo or tatanggalin nyo na yung pag-aalala na yan because mas maniniwala kayo sa kakayanan nyo maging very successful in your career or business. So, a new creative venture is on the horizon. So, may creative kayo na gagawin. Magagamit nyo na ang inyong talento, yung pagiging malikhain ninyo. Yan yung magiging part ng positive change sa inyo. Wow, prosperity is flowing to you. Have faith that you will receive it in the perfect form. See, kung ano yung needs mo, yun yung ibibigay sa'yo. Perfect form. Choose to follow the path of forgiveness and raise your vibration. Yes, kung meron daw mga energies or tao sa buhay mo in the past na nagbigay sa'yo ng, ng stress sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo, i-let go mo na yon, no? Or meron kang mga bagay na nagawa na pinagsisisihan mo, i-let go mo na yon, tanggalin mo na yung guilt, charge to experience. You just have to raise your vibration and follow kung ano man yung path na gusto mong tahakin. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye!